17th edition of Global Youth Peace Fest organized by Yuva Satta in Chandigarh. At Chandigarh Institute of Hotel Management and
विशाल कालिया
Today.
जी, आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में ग्लोबल यूथ फेस्ट हो रहा है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
प्रिंसिपल चंडीगढ़ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट। ये 17वां ग्लोबल पीस फेस्टिवल हमारे कॉलेज में ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया 30 सितंबर से लेकर 2 अक्टूबर तक। इसमें 20 से ऊपर कंट्रीज के डेलीगेट्स ने पार्ट लिया और उनका मेन मकसद जो था आपस में मिलना, आइडियाज एक्सचेंज करना। और यूएस से स्पेशली लेडीज तो आई थी हमारे यहाँ, जो रिसोर्स पर्सन थी, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सेशन किया एनिमल प्रोटेक्शन के ऊपर। उन्होंने कहा कि अगर हम यूथ पीस कर सकते हैं तो एनिमल्स को भी इंक्लूड कीजिए पहली बार, कि जानवरों के प्रति भी इंसान जो है वो जागरूक हो और उनकी तरफ भी उनका ध्यान जो है जाना चाहिए। और बहुत सी कंट्री से लोग आए जिन्होंने मेंटल पीस पे बात की और वेलनेस पे बात की, मेंटल वेलनेस बात की। और मॉरिशस से लोग हैं हमारे पास यहाँ, और यूरोप से बहुत लोग आए हैं जिन्होंने अपनी प्रेजेंटेशंस दी। और ये 3 दिन का जो शिविर है, विश्व शांति शिविर, ये आज समाप्त हो जा रहा है। और लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सी द नेक्स्ट वन ऑल्सो सून। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
दिल्ली से भाई मोरा लायो रे बाजरा, दिल्ली से भाई मोरा लायो रे बाजरा। खाए कसम बाजरा, बाजरा, खाए कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा, खाए कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा। दो बाजरा, दिल्ली से भाई मोरा लायो रे बाजरा। जब इस बाजरे को पछड़न बैठी, जब इस बाजरे को पछड़न बैठी, भूसा उड़ उड़ जाए मोरा बाजरा, भूसा उड़ उड़ जाए मोरा बाजरा। हाय कसम बाजरा, हाय कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा। जब इस बाजरे को कूटन बैठी, 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 मूसल इधर उधर जाए मोरा बाजरा, मूसल इधर उधर जाए मोरा बाजरा। हाय कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा, हाय कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा। जब इस बाजरे को गूंधन बैठी, 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 चिपक चिपक जाए मोरा बाजरा, उंगलियां चिपक चिपक जाए मोरा बाजरा। हाय कसम बाजरा, हाय कसम बाजरा, हाय कसम बाजरा, कसम बाजरा। जब इस बाजरे को खाने बैठी, जब इस बाजरे को खाने बैठी, पेट में गुड़ मोरा बाजरा, पेट में गुड़ मोरा बाजरा। हाय कसम बाजरा, 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 हाय कसम बाजरा।
That's the beauty of diversity, and that's the beauty of courage, that's the beauty of purpose, that's the beauty of belief. In a world that doesn't find too much time to divide us, in a world that can do that at a split second or even lesser than that, and there are thousands and millions of reasons, and we have very vivid, morphic access. Thankfully, none of us have live access. That to me was a moment this morning where a language that's forgotten, a language that's yet revered. You want to be grade 6 girl who said pretty much what Gandhi said, be the change you wish to see, or do we want to be caught into louder narratives, sometimes also popular because of the numerical following, or do we want to follow the Mandelas and the Gandhis who were singular, but the quantum of what they carried was no less than anything that was disproportionate to the count that they were facing and fighting. To close this off today, we have a beautiful panel here. We have Jay Shiji, who's always been here, and I'm going to invite him to share a few words. He is Principal Vishal Thalia. Over to you, sir.
Experience how different we are and how similar we also are at the same time, sharing similar values, similar goals, and similar passions. And this was something that was really great, while at the same time experiencing new places, new food, delicious food. So that was truly an amazing experience. It still is an amazing experience for me. Thank you.
About what happened, how we can make it better. But when it comes to taking action, not even a fraction of those people are around. So I think the first step that we need to take for peace is that whatever our ideas are on social media should be present in real life as well, and we should implement them. Thank you.
When I look at this festival, I feel world is one family. I mean, interacting with all of you here, interacting with every person from different states.
Medha, would you like to add something to this?
Face similar challenges, and together in harmony and peace here, we are trying to fight those, learning from each other, so that we as a family can bring change to our whole household, in a sense, to the world itself.
My name is Lydia. It's been a great pleasure for me and honor to be part of this conference. I had many wonderful moments. One of the best was the moment when we exercised different things and we had to be shoulder to shoulder. At that moment, I could feel the energy of the others and feel that we acted as a whole in one single organism. And also many other moments. I shouldn't forget the dancing night last night. Yes, this is for me. Thank you very much for all of you, the organizers, the participants. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.
Actually, again from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, capital city of Malaysia. Okay, what I take back, I can easily say in year 2014, GYPF is nothing new for me because it's already in my heart. 2014 was my first GYPF program, and followed by 2016, 17, 18, 19, 22 was hosted in Malaysia. It was a pride and honor for Pratopji for hosting it at Malaysia, and I was also happy to host on behalf of my organization. And last year was in Sri Lanka. It was a great pleasure. If you travel around abroad, you will meet a lot of friends. Not only friends, you do networking with them. And you have a platform where you can invite, like myself, I've already invited you guys, to come forward to International Youth Center. We already have like facilities, we have activities, we can design programs for you guys. And that's it. We can organize for you. So we look forward for international collaborations from abroad of countries. Thank you.
So I would try to keep it up and not wait for another moment like this to have this energy and willingness to make changes. And that's it. I want to repeat the sentence I said yesterday somewhere, that I heard from someone the idea of using our privileged position to make a change. We have to be aware of how lucky we are and how privileged we are to be here, or in our societies in general, and we need to take advantage of that to make a real change in our communities. And that's it. It's been a pleasure to hear you.
I'm a third year student, and on this occasion of Global Youth
I would like to quote two quotations. One is, "Youth are the architects of peace." This highlights the role of young people play in shaping a more harmonious world. Their energy, creativity, and vision are essential in addressing the challenge we face. Secondly, I would like to say peace begins with understanding. To culture peace, we must seek to understand each other. This involves actively listening to each other's perception and humanity. Lastly, I would say presenting different cultures, our Indian cultures, different dances, and getting to know other people. That was fantastic for us. Learning new things, going on tours. It was wonderful experience.
From PhD, and it was a great experience with working with Yog Satta, and thank you CIHM and Yog Satta for giving this opportunity to work with them. By this event, we learned so many things from the different traditions, and we learned about peace, gender equality, and so many things. Thank you.
I'm so glad youth of today's world is forcing itself ahead to have peace amongst and also peace and their promotion of their culture amongst their society and the world. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I had interaction with all of you, and I came to hear from the beautiful place, our beautiful state, Kerala. So, thank all of you, and it was a pleasure meeting all of you. Mr. Pramod is always going forward in his missions, and he does a lot for the society. So I thank him for.
Hello, my name is Reda. I am from Egypt. I'm a representative for Have a Dream, a volunteering organization. I am here today in the 17th Global Peace for Youth. It's so amazing. We discussed about peace and about women empowerment. We learned a lot. There were many nations and countries. We all make friends here. And I hope I will attend this every year from now and then. Thank you all for your hospitality. Thanks India for introducing us and the nice hospitality and kindness you showed me this week. Thanks a lot.
Your dress is very beautiful. You look
No,
very
but
nice.
I
It is your traditional dress or it is country or state dress? Tell me.
Okay, it was my idea to dress an ancient Egyptian pharaoh so that I can share a woman experience through history. I wanted to say that history it says in pharaohs that the women are the gifts from God. They were in higher positions and they were justice, they were queens, they were directors. So the woman gained respect all over the ancient years. So why we today are making some hindrance for women? We have to keep going, progressing, making more opportunities for women all over the world. And we shared some good ideas here. And I hope the youth get motivated and move on. Thanks a lot for introducing me.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Haley Blake. I'm from the United States of America, and I'm the Associate Director of the Education Department at Helen Woodward Animal Center. This Global Youth Peace Fest 2024 has been spectacular. India is the first time we've been here, and it has been great to immerse in the culture. All the people have been very kind. And this festival in particular, everyone has been very excited to share ideas, share their cultures, understanding, and we're finding we do have differences, but we have a lot more similarities than we expected. So we do think there's hope for peace, and the youth, especially seeing their presentations, was incredibly inspiring, generated a lot of ideas for us to take back home and to continue to work with Youth Sata.
How you feel about city in Chandigarh?
Chandigarh.
Yeah.
Chandigarh has been exceptional. It is beautiful. We visited some of the gardens, the zoo, and everything has been very clean, very nice. It feels safe. And we appreciate that the city has a design to it and is intentional, and that everyone agrees it is safe and nice. The food has been excellent.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Hello, so hi, I'm Akshita. I am from Chennai and I am representing my school, Vedamal Group of Schools. We are a team of 15. I came here with my students for the Global Youth Peace Fest. We had an amazing time here. We learned a lot, and we are also looking forward towards a lot of collaboration. And our students were delighted, and they were thrilled to know what's happening in and around the world, and how we should take an initiative and put our feet first to, towards the betterment of the world. And we met a lot of people from different countries, different states. They've never had such an experience before. And we met delegates from Mauritius, we met delegates from USA, Europe, Egypt, and more. And it was so good, and I felt so proud, standing for India and representing our school too in this amazing fest. And we got to know about a lot of initiatives, and we also spoke regarding collaborating with each other towards the betterment. And our students, they are ready to dive in, they are ready to take an initiative, they are ready for anything which is marching towards the betterment. And thank you so much, thank you for having us here, and it was such a wonderful experience. We love Chandigarh, we love food, we love everything about it. Overall, we had amazing fun, we learnt a lot, and we are looking forward for more such things. Thank you.
मेरा नाम पवन राय है, मैं काठमांडू नेपाल से हूँ, और ये 17th ग्लोबल यूथ पीस फेस्ट में अभी चंडीगढ़ में हूँ अभी। और ये जो फेस्ट है, इसमें मैं नेपाल से एक ही पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ, और मेरे को ये फेस्ट बहुत पहले से ही आना था, मगर मेरे अपने प्रॉब्लम थे, तो मैं नहीं आ पाया। मगर इस बार मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, और ये बहुत अच्छा फेस्टिवल है। यहाँ पर बहुत सारी मुल्क का आदमी लोग आए हुए हैं, और यहाँ पे एक सेपरेट वातावरण बना है कि आप कुछ कर सकते हो यहाँ पर आकर। यहाँ पर आपका नेटवर्किंग हो सकता है, यहाँ पर आकर आपका जो विचार है वो विचार का आदान प्रदान आप कर सकते हो, और ये विचार आदान प्रदान से ही मेरे ख्याल से ये होल वर्ल्ड में हम लोग पीस ला सकते हैं। और पीस लाने के लिए ये नहीं ज़रूरी है कि आप अकेले काम कर सकते हो, और मिलकर काम कर सकते हो, और जब मिलकर काम सकते हो तो उसका रिज़ल्ट भी एकदम अच्छा आता है। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये ग्लोबल यूथ पीस फेस्ट जो चंडीगढ़ में हो रहा है, ऐसा फेस्टिवल मेरे ख्याल से हर मुल्क में होना चाहिए, हर बार होना चाहिए। और ये नहीं कि ये चीज़ के लिए आपको एक देश से दूसरे देश ट्रैवल करना है, आप खुद को भी समझ सकते हो कि आपको खुद क्या करना है, आप चेंज क्या ला सकते हो, और आप खुद को चेंज मेकर के रूप में आगे ले जा सकते हो। और मेरे ख्याल से यही मैसेज ये ग्लोबल यूथ पीस फेस्टिवल भी दे रहा है। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मण गोले है। मैं महाराष्ट्र मुंबई से हूँ। मुंबई सर्वोदय मंडल ये संस्था से जुड़ा हूँ, और उससे जुड़कर स्कूल, कॉलेज और जेल में ये संस्था पीस एग्ज़ाम लेती है, और हिरोशिमा डे रैली और यूथ डेवलपमेंट कैंप, ऐसे बहुत से प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करती है। उसका पार्ट हूँ, जुड़ा हूँ। और यहाँ चंडीगढ़ में ग्लोबल पीस युवा
ग्लोबल पीस
फेस्टिवल के लिए आया हूँ। और देश भर से, हर देश से अलग अलग युवा नागरिक यहाँ आए हुए हैं, और यहाँ से शांति का संदेश लेने के लिए सब जुड़े हैं। और ये प्रॉब्लम गिव ए चांस टू यूज़ योर ब्रेन। तो प्रॉब्लम हमारे दिमाग को यूज़ होने के लिए चांस देता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम, हर प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन होता है। और हिंसा कोई भी सवाल का हल नहीं है। अहिंसा से ही दुनिया को, जग को, रोगों को जीता जा सकता है। और हमारा जो देश में, हमारा जो हिंदू राष्ट्र है, इसमें सत्य, अहिंसा, प्रेम, शांति, करुणा को बहुत बड़ा महत्व दिया गया है। अगर उसको हम सही तरीके से जीवन में उतारे तो हम भी देश के लिए, समाज के लिए, राष्ट्र के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं। और ये युवाओं में वो शक्ति रहती है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आज युवा पीढ़ी आगे बढ़कर देश को, समाज को अच्छी दिशा दे सकते हैं। तो ये यूथ फेस्टिवल है, और सब यूथ जुड़ के यहाँ से एक शांति का संदेश ले जा रहे हैं।